Gift boxes are everywhere in our daily lives. Many people think box making is just folding and pasting. But the real answer, probably not what you expect.
Zhejiang Xinwei focuses on high-end custom packaging for 3C phones, jewelry and premium liquor and tobacco. We've been in fine packaging for years. Product types are many, spec changeovers are frequent. The industry demands near-perfect forming accuracy, surface finish and edge neatness, no flaws allowed. In the early days, our lines were fully manual. But issues piled up, unstable output tied to worker skill, manual errors hard to control misalignment, uneven glue, crooked corners, scrapping boxes, high rework and waste rates. Most of our orders are from premium brands with strict quality standard. Even tiny defects can lead to rejection. Traditional automation fits only limited box types, with tedious changeover debugging. For small batch, multi-style orders, production efficiency drops. Small boxes just can't keep up with peak season demand. Delivery and capacity gaps became glaring. Scaling up and quality control hit a bottleneck.
Automation upgrade urgent, but the key is which solution to choose.
Our fully automatic high-speed box making and corner pasting integrated solution focuses on three things: precision, flexibility, and ease of use. Structurally, the machine has three sections: glue positioning, corner pasting, and forming. In detail, cover paper feeding, automatic gluing, alignment lamination, edge folding, and pressing corner pasting, all fully automated. We use Estun's nano controller with customizable cam curves for smooth motion. Paired with DX3 series, high precision, servo motors, positioning accuracy reaches Duntry 0.2 millimeters. This eliminates crooked corners and uneven lamination, ensuring uniform quality and high pass rates. For flexibility, the system stores over 100 recipes, supports 6 to 7 box making modes, and multiple corner pasting modes, handling box heights from 30 to 110 millimeters. For cover materials, coated paper, specialty paper, corrugated board switch materials without switching machines. Small boxes used to be their biggest headache. Under 50 millimeters height, our dual-head forming machine runs at 5560 PCs min. The A and B sides can work independently. The corner paster and box maker can run together or separately, handling large and small orders with ease. The touchscreen displays faults directly, supports single-step debugging, trial production, process fine-tuning, and fault finding are highly efficient, cutting downtime significantly.
Looking back, choosing Estun came down to two things. First, they have full in-house core tech servo, motion PLC, touchscreen with specific optimizations for box making processes. High-speed stability and precise positioning meet our premium box standards. Second, it fits multi-variety, high changeover scenarios, supports multiple materials and multiple modes. With strong flexibility, operation isn't complicated, and maintenance is low threshold. After over a year of 24/7 operation, capacity has risen sharply. Small box production efficiency is up 20%. Stable production across multiple materials and specs. All yield rate improved by 5%. Material waste and rework notably down. Most importantly, overall flexible production capability has been transformed, with changeover time cut by at least 50%, perfectly suited for multi-category, customized order.
From experience to standards, Estun redefines box making, the flexible revolution behind the single box. From this moment on, it's seen